Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture session. Today we will solve the workbook, chapter number 8, Who is Heavier? Look at the question number 1. Give serial number 1 to 5 from heaviest to the lightest in the given box. Okay, so यहाँ पे हमें descending order में number देने हैं. You have to start from the heaviest thing and go through the lightest one. Okay, so number 1, look at here, bed is the heaviest one, then afterward chair, then ball, then a bucket, and then leaf. So this is the way you can arrange them from heaviest to lightest. Look at here, the elephant is the heaviest one, then the man, then number 3 rabbit, die, and the needle. Number 5. Look at here. Number 1 is television, 2 is pillow, 3 is this, 4 is a spoon, and 5th is a paper. Here, number 1 is table, number 2 is the brick, 3 is a mango, 4 is a key, and 5 is a button. So this is the way you can arrange them in the way of heaviest to lightest. Look at the next page, page number 133, where you will find out the next exercise. Question number 2, write the name of the things in the empty box of balance scale on the basis of their weights as shown in the example. Heavier things and the lightest thing. Okay, so here watermelon is a heavier, whereas the apple is the lighter one. So make sure on the balance the lighter thing will goes up and the heavier thing will goes down. Second number is a bucket and a cup. So definitely bucket is the heavier one, so it goes down, and the cup is the lightest one. Third one is a football and a small ball. So football is a heavier one, so it goes down, and the small ball is a lighter one, so it goes up on the balance. School bag and the book. School bag is the heaviest one object, so it goes down on the balance. Book is the lightest object, so it goes up. Biscuit and chocolate. Biscuit is the lighter one, whereas the chocolate is the heavier one, because we are thinking about the big bar of the chocolate, right? Then 5 packets of biscuits and 2 packets of biscuits. So 5 packets of biscuits are the heavier one, so it goes down on the balance, and 2 packets of biscuits goes up. Next, elephant and horse. The elephant goes down as it is heavy, horse goes up as it is lighter than the elephant. Cap and helmet. Helmet goes down on the balance as it is heavier than the cap, and cap is the lighter than the helmet. Turn your page. Page number 134, where you will find out the number 3 exercise. In which unit will you measure the weight of given object? Join the object with gram or kilogram. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या करना है? You have to join the object with the two kind of weight. One is the gram, another is the kilogram. This is the kilogram weight, this is the gram weight. So this is a newspaper, we can measure it in a gram. An ice cream, measure it in gram. This is also measured in gram. This also is measured in gram. Cap, crayon, orange, then here candle, then a button, toothpaste. ये सब चीज़ें ग्राम में मेजर होती है, as they are small in the quantity, they are very small objects. Other than that, the bag, man, sack of rice, book, bicycle, cupboard, this television, and a bed, this kind of thing would be measured in kilogram, as these are the bigger and the heavier thing as compared to the smaller ones. Now, look at the next page, page number 135, where you have to tick the object weighing more than 1 kg and cross on the object weighing less than 1 kg in the given box. Here you have to assume that which objects are more than 1 kg and which objects are less than 1 kg, right? So let's begin with this. Banana is less than 1 kg, so we are going to cross it. And these crayon box, right? So pencil crayons, right? So it's less than 1 kg. Yes, definitely that boy is more than 1 kg. Again, the chair is also more than 1 kg. Doll is less than 1 kg. This is more than 1 kg, more than 1 kg, less than 1 kg, less than 1 kg, more than 1 kg, less than 1 kg, more than 1 kg. So this is the way you will assume and write down the answer. You have to just use your mind, right? Now turn your page number 136, where you will find out question number 5, guess the weight and match. आपको weight को guess करना है और match करना है, ठीक है? So here is a dog. The dog is about 1 kg, a little puppy, right? And this is a goat. Goat is having 20 kg around. An elephant around 400 kg, as it's the largest animal. Buffalo more than 100 kg. A bag around 400 kg. An apple 100 gram. This is a cock and it is around 2 kg. Sack of rice 10 kg. Cucumber 25 gram. And the man 50 kg. At least 50 kg तो होता ही है. Okay, now look at the next page, page number 137, where you will find out the another exercise, number 6. Write the weight. Okay, here we have to write down the weight. Like, look at here. The number is pointed at 100. So we can say it's 100 grams. See, the unit has been written already. You have to just find out the weight. The cut pointed at which number, right? Here is a 800 gram of cake, then 500 gram, then it is 3 kg. See, look at here, it is perfectly balanced. The rabbit is of 3 kg. Then here is 200 plus 100, so it is a 300 gram. That pineapple is of 1 kg. And here is a 2 kg. Now look at the question number 7. Balance the scale putting appropriate weight. अगर आपको ये balance करना है appropriately, then which weight you will use to balance both the pans, right? These are the two pans. Balance करना है. Here is a 5 kg. That means on the opposite side of the pan or other side of the pan also need the 5 kg. So we match this side with the 5 kg. Then here we'll find out 3 kg. So we need to put 3 kg weight over here. So 2 kg and 1 kg. We are going to put both the things over here and it will be balanced. Number 4, 18 kg. So here we have to put the 18 kg weight. So 2 plus 1, 3 plus 5, 8 plus 10, 18. Okay. So 10 plus 8, 18. Here 12 kg. 12 kg means here 10 kg and 2 kg. It's equal to 12 kg. So this is the way we can balance both the pan by putting the equal weight on both the side. Now on the next page, page number 138, we will find out the another exercise number 8. Weight the things using the metal weights given below. Okay, here we have to weight these things, right? Using this metal weight. How many metal weights we will take for balancing this weight? Fine. So 50 kg rice. For that we need a 50 kg of weight on the other side. So here 10 kg weight of the 10 kg will take 5 times, right? Then it will become 50 kg. 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. See here the combination will be different. Okay, it will be different. ये different हो सकता है. It is not necessary कि बिल्कुल ऐसे ही. There are so many ways to make 50 kg. So this is one of the example. 800 gram of sugar. So we will take 8 weights of metal weight of 100 grams, so it becomes 800 grams. Okay, other than that you can also take one 500 gram and the 200 gram and 100 gram, so it becomes the 800 gram as well. So this is the another way. Number 3, 9 kg groundnuts. So we'll take a 9 metal weight uh, of 1 kg, so it becomes 9 kg. 22 kg pulses. Here 22 kg pulses. So we'll take the metal weight of 10 kg and two metal weights of 1 kg. So it becomes 10 plus 10, 20 plus 2, 22. Other than that, you can also take instead of taking 2 weights of 1 kg, you can take only 2 kg weight as well. Next, number 5, 10 kg and 900 gram wheat. So we will take one metal weight of 10 kg and there are 9 metal weight of 100 grams, so it becomes 10 kg 900 grams, right? Other than that, you can also take like this 500 gram and the 2 weights of 200 grams. So 500 plus 400 is 900. Half kg onions. Half kg means half of the 1000 gram, that is 500 grams. So you will take the 5 metal weights of 100 grams, so it becomes 500 gram. Other than that, you can take one metal weight of 500 gram, right? So this is the way you can make the 500 gram. Another way is take the 2 metal weight of 200 gram and the 1 metal weight of 100 gram, so it becomes 500 gram as well. Number 7, 3 kg 700 gram potato and 400 gram almonds. So both the things you can do it by yourself and use your mind for that. Look at the next question, number 9. Naman weighed 3 kg at birth, so 6 kg sweets were distributed. Based on this detail, how much sweet will be distributed at his present age of 8 years? Complete the details given below. Here is a Naman and here is a sweets, right? इसके double weight की double sweets यहाँ पे distribute करते हैं. So let's begin with this table. Look at the table. There are 3 columns: age of Naman, weight of Naman, and distribution of sweets in a kg. So at birth he is 3 kg. So उसका double the weight sweets को distribute करना है. So 3 plus 3 is 6 kg. At 1 year he is around 8 kg. So 8 plus 8 is 16 kg. At 2 years, he is about 11 kg. How can we know that? Because the addition has been given, so we can easily find out. There is a 11 kg weight over here. 13 kg has been given at the which is the weight at 3 years old. So 13 plus 30 is 26 kg. Now addition has been given, right? So 17 kg is the weight at the age of 4. At the age of 5, he is 21 kg. So 21 plus 10, 21 is 42 kg. This much of sweet will be distributed at the age of 5. Then at the age of 6, the addition has been given. So we will easily find out the weight is 23 kg. Again, at the age of 7, the weight has been given by doing the addition. So 27 kg is the weight. And at the age of 8, he is around 30 plus 30 kg. So 30 plus 30 is 60 kg. 60 kg of the sweet has been distributed at the age of 8. Now, look at the next page, page number 139, where you will find out the next question. Number 10, Usha weighed 2 kg at birth, so 1 kg sweets were distributed. Then how much sweets will be distributed at her present age? Complete the table. यहाँ पे क्या करना है? Whatever the weight has been given, उसका आधा sweet वहाँ पे distribute करते हैं. Okay, 2 का half होता है 1, so we are going to distribute only 1 kg. At the 1 year, she is around 6 kg. So 6 minus, what is the half of the 6? Is 3. So 6 minus 3 is 3 kg. Okay, here the subtraction has been given, so 8 is the weight, right? So at the age of 2, uh, she is around 8 kg. 12 kg has been given. So what is the half of the 12? 6. So 12 minus 6 is 6 kg. Here the subtraction has been given. So this is the weight. 16 kg is the weight. At 5 years, 20 kg has been given. So half of the 20 is 10 kg. 22 kg, half of the 22 is 11. So 22 minus 11 is 11 kg. Here the 24 kg of the her weight at the 7 year is 24 kg. Now look at here, 8 at the 8 year she is around 28 kg. The half of the 28 is 14, so 28 minus 14 is equal to 14 kg. Now look at the next question. Guess, draw and balance the scale. So यहाँ पे guess करना है, like one glass is equal to blank bowls, right? So here we put the two bowls and it will balance the one's glass, right? So दोनों चीजें equal होनी चाहिए, दोनों side equal होना चाहिए. So we are writing here 2. Now you have to guess, right? यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं, guessing activity है. How can you here is a one pencil and here is a one pen. So I think around when we will put the two pencil on the opposite side, it will balance the pen. Now the next page. Here is around 3, 4, 7, 8, 9 and 10 apples and a 1 watermelon. So if we are putting the 20 apples on the opposite side, then maybe it will be balanced the watermelon. Rest of the two examples yourself. Okay, so this is it for this session. Next time we will start the new chapter. Till that, stay at your home, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep enjoy learning from the lecture session. Till that, goodbye.